Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on how to clean a garbage disposal. Watch until the end to know all the steps you need to follow when cleaning your garbage disposal. Step 1. Cleaning your garbage disposal. Begin by manually removing all lodged objects. If a big object is stuck in your garbage disposal, remove it before going ahead with the cleaning process. Make sure to switch off the fuse that powers your garbage disposal unit. The move will help to ensure that the disposal unit does not turn on as you clean it. Alternatively, depending on its design, you can unplug the unit from underneath the sink. Use pliers or tongs to dislodge the stuck objects, while being careful not to damage the grinder. Avoid at all costs putting your hand inside the garbage disposal unit. If you have to, make sure the grinder is switched off. Be cautious because the grinder blades are somehow sharp. After dislodging all the large objects, flush the unit with water. It will help to dispel any loose grime. Use a stopper to seal the disposal unit and add a reasonable amount of liquid dishwashing soap and hot water until there is 6.1 to 10.2 centimeters sitting in the sink. Pull out the stopper and switch on the disposal unit to allow the hot water to flush through it. Make sure to use hot water rather than cold water because it liquefies any grease or oil causing the blockage issues. Using this method is more effective than running the tap because it allows the unit to be purged of any debris and dirt that may have caked inside the drain. Next, grind ice cubes and salt in your disposal unit to eradicate stubborn debris and sludge stuck on the blades. Pour 1 cup of rock salt and 2 of ice into the garbage disposal unit. Turn on the unit and run some tap water. Allow the salt and ice to be crushed by the grinder blades. Alternatively, you can use frozen white vinegar instead of salt and ice. The procedure is crucial because it helps to sharpen the grinder blades and eradicate any bad odors from the unit. Lastly, scrub the inside of your disposal unit with a scrub brush or a used toothbrush. Remove the lid at the top of the drain to make this work easier. Step 2. Getting rid of odor. A clean garbage disposal should not have a bad smell coming from it. One of the ways to eliminate garbage disposal odor and freshen it up is using citrus fruit peels. You just need to grind several peels, and your kitchen will be left smelling great since the citric acid in the peels will remove bad odor and clean the blades. You can also add spices or essential oils to your garbage disposal to freshen it up even further and leave it smelling great. Another way of eliminating odor is using vinegar and baking soda, as this combination makes an excellent odor-busting solution. You will need to sprinkle about half a cup of baking soda into the garbage disposal and pour approximately 1 cup of vinegar. Let the fizzling mixture sit in the drain for up to 10 minutes, and then rinse with boiling water while the garbage disposal is on. After removing the odor, you can rinse the garbage disposal with a little bleach. It works well at killing germs and completing the cleaning process. You should only use a small amount of bleach since too much of it can harden any grease in the garbage disposal, making it harder to remove. To rinse off the bleach, dilute a tablespoon with a gallon of water and pour it into the drain slowly. Allow it to sit for up to 2 minutes and then rinse with hot water to wash the bleach. You can also use borax to eliminate odor from your garbage disposal. You need to put approximately 59 milliliters of borax into the drain and leave it for up to 1 hour. Finally, wash it off with clean boiling water. To ensure your cleaning process is quick and easy, you should only put biodegradable items in the garbage disposal. Some of the things you should avoid putting in your garbage disposal include fibrous food items that can get tangles in the motor, starchy items since they will form a thick paste that could make the blades stick, and expandable foods like rice since they could expand when wet and clog the drain. Additionally, it's advisable to leave the garbage disposal running a few more seconds after the grinding noise stops, with water running to clear away any small particles that are still remaining in the drain. Don't get grease in the garbage disposal to avoid clogging the drain, and cut large pieces into smaller ones to prevent them from getting stuck. And that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.